Hello everyone! You are welcomed by the Smart World Community Platform. Today, we're going to tell you how the platform works and what you can find on it. Smart World Community is a platform for your development where you will find the courses and activities that are right for you. To authorize on the platform, you need to enter your email and password from your Sky World Community account. When logging in, be sure to confirm that you are not a robot and click Continue. Then you go to the main page of the platform where you can change the language to the desired one if you need it. In addition, this one displays your most recent current rate. You can see how many lessons and tests you have completed, see your progress through the course, and go to watch the lessons. Recommended courses. In this section, you can open all the courses that the platform recommends and explore them, or go to a course that the platform recommends to you. This page also shows the activities in your language group you can participate in. You then go to the course catalog via the menu bar. The courses are categorized into several levels: basic, advanced, and leadership level. You can also set filters by topic: professions, sales, paid courses. Scrolling down the page, you will see what courses you can sign up for, how much they cost if they are paid courses. If we click on a paid course, let's say, building a team using the duplication technique, then in order to purchase the course, you should click on the Buy Course button, read the payment terms, tick the I agree with the public offer box, and pay. When we enter the course and scroll down below, we see information about the speaker and the program. Here you will see the modules and lessons that will be included in this course. Going into a free course, such as the speaker profession, you will see that in the course, you can get a certificate for completing it. In almost all courses, you can receive a certificate for successful completion of training. Also, this page contains the information and the course program, which opens and shows all the lessons that are included in it. To proceed to the training, you click on the Start Course or Continue Course button, depending on the status of the course. Gradually go through, watch the lessons, and do all the homework that will be in the course. Block of activities follows below in the menu. There are currently no scheduled events, but in the future, there will be events posted here that you can participate in. There is also a profile block in the menu. This shows your level and progress, certificates and courses you are taking, and those worth taking. And the messenger block. Here you can contact technical support if you have difficulties, for example, with accessing a course or an error when purchasing a course, and open a chat room of specific courses you're already participating in. In the course chats, you can get feedback from the tracker on lessons, homework, or if you still have questions about the course that are not answered during the training. You also have your profile button in the top right corner. This is the same as the block on the left. Next come the notifications. Here you can see information about new courses and the addition of new modules that you may be interested in. Just click on it or make it read. There is also a button to contact support. Here the email is displayed to which you can write with a question or feedback for our team. Next comes the button for changing the language. If you have logged into the platform and it doesn't automatically open in your language, you can click on this button and change to the language you want. This is also where you see the button to exit the profile. If you need to change your profile, you just should click on it and the platform will take you back to the Login tab. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you still have questions, you can write to the support chat or us by email. Have a nice training.